Welcome to Neural Consciousness. Today's video we will compare ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Grok and Claude. The task is very simple. We will see how good or bad these large language models are to create a snake game in Python. Then we'll test the codes and see the performance and outcome. So let's jump into it. So first we'll see with the ChatGPT O3 mini high model. As you know, this is recommended for great coding and logical work. So let's see how does it work. So this is the prompt I have already written down. So the prompt says create a simple snake game in Python, use Pygame, add scoring, which is add every time a snake eats the food, increase snake moving speed dynamically as it grows, restart when snake hit the edge. As the snake should be green, food is red, and background is black color. I also set a requirement for the game is game window should be 800 by 600 pixel. So now I'm not going to check this search option because it will search on the web and it will take time. And then another is the deep research, which is also I will not use it now, just to see the plain simple way. How does it work? So in the case of OpenAI ChatGPT O3 mini high, so now it's reasoning and making its decision to give us the code. In the meantime, I can show I'm using VS Code, and I have my root folder, which is neural consciousness code, and in the side I have the every subfolder for each video I'm gonna make. So this is the first video, so this is the first video subfolder. So in the meantime, we already have our code done by OpenAI ChatGPT O3 mini high. So what it does, so it gives us, yes, if there is a simple snake game implemented in Python, is in Pygame, the game meets your requirement. Yes, window size is 800 600. The snake is green, so it meet all my requirement, dynamic speed and restart. So now we need to do to run this model to game. We need to install Pygame, which I already have. As I said, like this is the root project for all my video, and I already created this virtual environment. If anybody of you want to know how this virtual environment is created, you can read this README file, and then you can go through all this step and you can do it by yourself. Don't worry, all this code is uploaded in my GitHub repository, which is called Neural Consciousness Codes, and the link is down below in the description. So to do that, I know I need to create different Python files, which I already have created. So I created this snake game for 4 of the models: O3 mini, Grok, DeepSeek, and Sonnet 3.7 from Claude. As you know, I already activated my virtual environment, and first thing I need to know, my pip install is Pygame is already done. So I just need to copy the code created by ChatGPT, copy it, and I paste it here. Save it. It looks like that have no problem, but yeah, this thing is coming from the PyLint. It's telling me some of the conditional issues, but anyway, this is not gonna problem with the game, I think so. Okay, so now let's run the file and let's see how does it work. So what I can do, I can run it from my root folder, which is, or I can go to the subfolder for this video, which is video 1 snake game, and then run the Python command. I can just do it from here. So the Python, and then I need to go to this folder / and then the folder name is video 1 underscore snake game, and then I need to write the Python file name is a snake game underscore O3 mini high dot py. Okay, so that sounds really nice. High.py. Let's run it. So as you can see, it's started automatically running, and it hitting to the edge and is dying without, I have no option to stop it or run it. So let's say, okay, now I'm moving my arrow keys as it should work. Oh, okay, now it's eating, scoring. Oops. And then I'm done. It's automatically restarting without telling me what happened. The game looks to me okay with first try, so I can just turn it on. And yeah, as I say, the last comment, so feel free to tweak the parameters or add any extra features. Let me know if we have any questions or need further modifications. So right now I don't need any further modification. I'm happy with right now. So okay, it looks like ChatGPT o3 mini high get pass mark. So now let's go to the DeepSeek. Again, the DeepSeek has these options as similar to OpenAI. So you can click the search, then it will start search on the wave, and then you can also activate this DeepThink R-on, which is similar to the Python. Sorry, for the ChatGPT o3 mini has this deep research. So now let's run it. Simple way. So now it's running, it's rezoning, and again back to this VS Code. Yes, all code is uploaded in GitHub repo. So if anybody doesn't have any access to any of this model, you can just play around with the code. Feel free to tweak the code, edit it, or give your comments. So yeah, just, you know, do fun with that. So now it looks like DeepSeek is creating the code. So now it is generating, yeah. It's for the comparison from OpenAI o3 mini high and DeepSeek is quite fast than OpenAI o3 mini high, and it's done. So I already have the file created. It's DeepSeek here. So yeah, again it's below the implementation of Snake Game using Pygame in Python. The game includes scoring, dynamically increasing snake speed, and restarting when the snake hits the edge. And the snake is green, food is red, and the background is black. The game window is set to 800 and 600. Okay, then I can copy and paste it in the file. I save it. Yes, again, I think it's the same issue with the PyLint. It's saying some, module Pygame has no init member. So it's a PyLint issue. But yeah, this is not a severe things to think about right now. So I can do run this file. Just need to rename it to deepseek.py. Yes, that's the file name, and then see it's running. Okay, so now you can see that is a error. The error says, okay, so line 135 in module game loop. Okay, so game loop having an issue. The issue is belongs to clock tick. It's the snaky speed. So unbound local error, local variable snaky speed reference before assignment. Okay. That's the snake. Yep, here is the snaky speed is already assigned before is a clock tick assigned. So okay, so this is a box. I'm not gonna fix it right now because we are going to check which one can give the code with the first run without any bugs. So DeepSeek has a bug, so sorry DeepSeek, you cannot fulfill our requirement. Maybe some next task you can do it, but not today. So now again, now is the Grok 3. Again, it's the similar function, you know, the deep search. You can go for advanced searching and rezoning, and they also have the think. Let the model take its time to think what it can do, so it's do like its own rezoning. But in this case, we go in a normal way. So run that prompt and let's see. Oh, but this is a quick one. Okay, that is a super quick. I didn't expect that. Okay. It has a long description of the game, what it does. It says the implementation includes, yes, it's required. Okay, so it's also said like a dynamic speed increase. So it's set from 5 frames per second and increased by every 1. So it increased by 1 frame per second every 5 points. Okay, capped at 20 frames per second. Wow, that is a nice introduction and description of the game. Okay, so yeah. I start with the length with initially 1 is the center of the screen and then moves forward. Arrow keys for direction. Close the window to quit. Okay, close the window to quit. Okay, we have Now copy the code and paste in the file, paste it, save it, and now we can run it. Let's see. Now it should be Grok 3. Grok 3, yes, we run it. Okay, it's automatically run the game, and a bit slower than how it done by OpenAI O3 Mini High. Yeah, I think the initial speed of OpenAI O3 Mini High is a bit faster than how the Grok is, and I think the speed is increasing, as it says, like every 5 food. So now let's see if it is increased after 10. As you know, we cannot go like this, cross the edge, you know. But okay, looks like the speed increased. Yep, it's working. And now let's see if it is die. Yes, it's die, and then automatically started from the center. It's die again and automatically start from the center. That looks funny. Yeah, so it's working. So Grok, you pass. Now let's look at our last testing model is from Claude 3.7 Sonnet as the latest model. And the style, let's say choose normal. We can do concise, and then explanatory and formal. Let's say normal, because we are going to say a very normal way. So this is the prompt, and let's see. Now it's working. It's also quicker than, yeah, DeepSeek and OpenAI. Okay, the model is generating. Okay, so all of this model tell us to check either we install the Pygame, it's a pip install. Well, Grok did not tell us to do that. DeepSeek, yes, DeepSeek tell us to do pip install Pygame, and I think OpenAI is also said yes, the pip install Pygame. Except Grok, everybody tell us to make sure you already install Pygame with the pip. And there is some nice description. Okay, what's the game is the Pygame graphics and game machines, features scoring system that increased by 10 points for each. Yeah, it's 5% increase. So now it has a different increased speed increase algorithm than the Grok. Yes, the game when the snake hits the edge of the screen. Yeah, and it meet all the requirement I mentioned in the prompt. And then arrow keys for run, and then I said yes, press R to restart and Q to quit. Okay, so let's copy the code within the Sonnet file. Okay, and save it and then run it. Let's see. Now it should name Sonnet 7 pi. Right, it's like game underscore Sonnet 7 pi. Enter. And now, okay, so it's not a starting. I know what it means. I need to press any arrow key and then it will start. So yes, it's a start from center. It's a little bit faster than what we see in Grok. I think the speed is same as OpenAI, and every time I eat the food, it gives me 5 points, isn't it? Oh no, it's giving me 10 points. Okay. Okay, I'm done. So now it's a game over. Press R to restart or Q to quit. Oh, that is a good one. That is a good one compared to Grok and OpenAI. And yeah, I think it's out of 3 of this model is giving us the code, the runnable code to make a fun snake game with the first try. Except the DeepSeek, they have a little bugs. But yeah, and I think if I compare, I would like to say yes, the best one is to me Claude Sonnet 3.7. Yeah, again you've done it. Yes, because you know all of these 3 give us this game with all the requirements But this one I like because it gives you the message to the player. So now you hit the game, so that means it's not starting automatically. It just open the window, sit there, waiting for you to press the key, and then it will start. And then when it is hit the edge or the game is over, it's sending you the message, press R to restart or Q to quit. So that is, I think, is a complete pack. What is missing from OpenAI and Grok 3 models. So that's it for today, the comparison. So thanks for watching the video, and if you like the video, then comment your opinions. And if you want to watch more videos like this, then please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and share the videos. And don't forget to tell us what exactly or what specific comparison you want to see between these models. And so bye for today, and see you in next videos.